again, welcome to the Paul Sherry RVs. Today I'm featuring a really nice toy hauler we just got in. It's a look back. 21WP is the model number on it. Got a power tongue jack up front. This is a spot here to put a portable generator. And then these racks, they all come off, and if you take a look at our pictures in the video, you can see how you can drive right up with these racks here. So it makes for a great outside storage. Great for the four-wheeler guy, the dirt bike guy who doesn't want to sleep inside with all the smells of the gas and everything else. So, and easy to wash off. You just take your power washer and wash them right off without getting everything inside where you sleep muddy. So, nice pass-through storage there Luke showed you. This is a gas or electric hot water heater brought off either source, and it is a direct spark ignition, meaning it'll light itself, which is a nice feature to have. So, no messing around with that. Nice alloy wheels. Take a look at them wheels. Probably never seen a wheel like that on a travel trailer. Nice. Santa flush, so you can flush out your black tank there. Outside shower to wash off your boots and whatnot. Coming on back here, this is the rear slide floor plan. So it gives you a really big open space with not a lot of weight. A lightweight toy hauler. So. This one's got the power pack on it, so you get the power tongue jack that we showed on the front. It's got power stabilizer jacks on the rear, and it has a nice power awning there. So that's nice. We did order this one in with the fuel station, so you can fill that up right there, fuel your bikes up, your four-wheelers, your generator, whatever you need to fill up there. Fuel tank built in with the pump. Here's some more of your storage here. Indoor and outdoor speakers here. Plays off the radio inside. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Got two bunks up front, which is nice. Take a look at the bathroom here. Nice tub shower combination there. Nice toilet. Double door refrigerator, your fridge and your freezer. Dual mode fridge, so if you're out camping in a remote spot without electricity, you can run it off just propane gas. Nice table here, U-shaped dinette. Folds down to about a double-sized bed, which is pretty cool. Take a look at this king-size bed back here. Huge. Plenty of space to get out and sleep real comfortably. Nice mattress on it. Jackknife couch here. Folds down real nice. And on around, you got all amenities. 3-burner top stove, microwave oven. Even has a little dry erase board to write notes. Hey, out on the trail, be back at 4. So, really nice travel trailer, guys. Feel free to call us with any questions at 1-800-678-4188.